What's up, guys? It's your boy Lorenzo Smooth back again with another reaction video, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below and stay tuned for more videos. I'm back, baby. Today's video is Mongolian Hip Hop All Stars. AZ. Is it Jungle or Jackal? Jackal. But this is the official video. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you go check it out. Many people actually asked me to react to this video. So without wasting your time, guys, let's get to it. Video and photography. E. Let's go. Jungle. Hey. Oh, this is like old school, man. Like how they started, I think. Hey, hey, hey. When they were still young, yeah. When they were still young and rapping. Oh, I wasn't ready. Hey. Go Big G! Hey, go Big G! I like this song, man. That flow! Hey, that flow though. These are all big G's, man, like old gangsters, you know, like original G's, man, you know. And they're old now, but they're still pushing hip hop. I like that. He's wearing Bob Marley in his shirt. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey, look who just came. Hey, look who just came, man. Hey. Hey, hey, with his shades on. With his shades on. Hey. Those Ice Top guys, huh? Those Ice Top gangsters, man. Those OGs. Sing, man. Hey. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? when they were all starting, man, like back in the day when they were all starting, still young and fresh. Yeah, man. Hey, I feel happy for these guys, man. And someone told me today is B's birthday from Click Click Boom, man. Happy birthday to B, man. Yeah. So guys, I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you guys go check out the video, man, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. You know what time it is, guys. Lwazi Sbu, we live, and yeah, man, that was East Studios, man. Make sure you check out their channel. I see you guys. Woo, what a song. With that being said, guys, Lwazi Sbu, count. Flip side, flip side, flip side.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.